Hello everyone. Now I'm watering my painting. You can really see it. You have to put a lot of water on your painting so that your colors can really go into your painting. The second step is to make the surface, and now you see that I am starting with a dark color because you have to change dark and light color. There was a lot of light color, so now I want to have some surface that is really dark and that gave some atmosphere. I'm also painting from left side to the right side, so I can take all the surface with me and change all the surface, and I'm not making something in the middle of the painting. I'm not painting the figure in the middle of the painting. It's also important because first you have to make the surface and then you have to make the figure. If you will make the figure first and then the surface, you will have something that is separated, something that is not together. You have then figure and you have surface, some objects, and if you will see it, you will that just will be not a painting that inspiring you. For me, very important is really to have a painting where everything is in place, where the figure comes out of the surface, where I really know, I really feel my surface, I feel how it is. And after painting like this about 10 minutes or so, I rotate my painting. Um, the reason of it is to not to be stuck in painting, not to be stuck how it will be. Will it be good? Will it be bad? Will someone buy it or someone will like it? Maybe I will not like it. I don't know. But I have to rotate it to be away from these thoughts, because the only thing you can do in such a moment, the only thing your head can do is to concentrate on the painting, to concentrate on how you're painting the surface. And you see there that I'm working in another direction from right to left. Um, so I can I'm also rotating how I'm painting, and at the end it will be really interesting effect of how your painting is look like. My channel is not about a lot of technique, a lot of a lot of very quick technique. It's about how you can go into the painting, um, how you can meditate inside the painting, and how you make a mood um, in the with the painting, that you are really love what you are doing, and you are not concentrate on the final um, impression of your painting by others, so that you can um, be free of it, and you can really feel yourself creative, feel yourself inside the picture. Sometimes I'm also not painting from the picture, but I'm making my own world. It's like there were, for example, some green colors, and I want to be them red. I don't know why, but maybe at this time I like red and not green or yellow, and I'm changing them. I'm really working with my fantasy. Um, Now I will go to the middle of the painting and do something there. Um, I'm working with the figure now because the background is now good. The painting is not at the end, but I'm working it part step by step. And you also have to see in your painting what is your figure and what is dominant in this figure, what is really going out. For example, in my case, it is hair because it was windy a little bit. It was a really beautiful summer day in Portugal with a little wind, and I can see it in my hair. And first I'm working with hair, and after that I will work how I will paint a body, and I'm always painting from this something that is really um, go out, and then I make surface, and after the details. Maybe you can also make it like this. It's also really meditative process. After I made some adjustments with the figure, I'm making adjustments with the surface. I'm putting some details on it because I want that as I said previously, that the figure is a part of the painting, and now I will rotate one more time, and I don't know how it is look like because my eyes are not adjusted to this perspective, and I can be creative and open to creativity one more time. Uh, I'm also rotating the picture that I'm painting from. You will be really surprised how how simple it is. You just rotate the picture you are painting and the painting itself, and you will surprise how much technique you have already. Because the technique is not about making something a lot of times. It's about be present in the moment, and the most beautiful thing or how you can be present is to change your perspective. I also use this in my life. So if I have some situation I don't know how to deal with it, um, I've just think about I can change the perspective and how it will be look like upside down. Um, Maybe you can also use it. It's really one of my most favorite things to change the perspective and to be creative. It's like it feels like a new beginning, like you don't know how it will be and you have no expectations because you cannot have expectations. You just don't see how it is. I will rotate this painting in 30 seconds, and you will see, or in 20 seconds, and you will see how surface figure look like. It will be surprising, and I hope I can inspire you to do the same. with the paintings. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, like it.